All right, this is SAT Prep. We're doing test 3, section 4, and this is number 37. So in both 37 and 38, we have this long word problem. If shoppers enter a store at an average rate of R shoppers per minute, and each stays in the store for an average time of T minutes, the average number of shoppers in the store, N, at any one time can be given by the formula N equals RT. This relationship is known as Little's Law. The owner of the Good Deals store estimates that during business hours, an average of 3 shoppers per minute enter the store, and that each of them averages 15 minutes of time in the store. The store owner uses Little's Law to estimate that there are 45 shoppers in the store at any one time, right? So the 3 times the 15. So let's look at 37. Little's Law can be applied to any part of the store, such as a particular department or a checkout line. The store owner determines that during business hours, approximately 84 shoppers per hour make a purchase, and each of those shoppers spend an average of 5 minutes in the checkout line. At any time during business hours, about how many shoppers, on average, are waiting in the checkout line to make a purchase? So, what we have here, right? So R shoppers per minute, right? So the catch here, right, is that this is 84 shoppers per hour, right? So, and then they spend 5 minutes in the checkout line. So notice that up here, right, this is the trick here, right? The rate of shoppers is shoppers per minute. So R in this situation is 84 over 60, not 84 over 1, right? Because again, we want to convert this to being in minutes, right? So this is my R is 84 over 60, right? And the time spent in line is 5 minutes, right? The time spent in line is 5 minutes. So what we want to do is we want to do 84 over 60 times 5, right? And you can type that in your calculator, or you can do it in your head if you feel like you're comfortable doing so. If you feel like you can do it in your head, the 60 and the 5 cancel to give you a 12 in the denominator, and 84 is divisible by 12. It would give you a 7. But you can also certainly do it in your calculator, because it's a calculator section, and it's fine if you don't know that. So you get a 7. So the trick to this question is, if you're not paying attention, you use the 84, not the 84 over 60. Again, I'm going to justify my answer all the way to the right. You could certainly put the 7 in any of those slots. Just only bubble the slot that you're using for 7. Don't add any zeros that don't belong there. Just put the number that's your answer. All right.